Hello YouTube, Batman Original here, bringing you another video. Today I'm going to be reviewing two new items from Mickey D's. The newly released Buffalo Ranch Snack Wrap and the newly released Chips Ahoy Frappe, which I may or may not have already tried.
You have?
I have. Chippy. Start out with this Frappe. Show you guys what that looks like. Got some Chips Ahoy action going on. Looking pretty good. Nice, nice. Suss this bad boy out because I've never had it before. Do a little stir action because on the ride home it kind of melted a little bit. Salud. Coffee-ish. Chocolatey. Chips Ahoy-y. Definitely recommend, dude. If you like coffee, if you like frappes, if you like Chips Ahoy. The first time around when I got this, I got the large and it was gone as quick as this one's gonna be gone. 10 out of 10 on the Chips Ahoy. So next, we're gonna try this old snack wrap out. I know they had it before. Let's show you guys what this little pitiful thing is. Yeah, what the fuck I got, dude? Like, what the fuck? Tiny little chicken strip, buffalo sauce, and lettuce, and a little bit of cheese. I remember back in the day when McDonald's had the snack wraps, they were like jumbo sized. They had all kinds of stuff in them. But my brother Ethan said these were good. I can't remember if he said he tried this one or not. I'm sure he probably tried them all. But without further ado, I present to you the Buffalo Snack Wrap from Mickey D's. Salud. Good taste with the chicken. Got a nice peppery taste. Not really tasting the buffalo sauce. Wish it had more in it. Got a lot of buffalo sauce. Taste wise, it's a 6.7 out of 10 for me. It's a quick snack. For the price, I think it was like $2, $3. Definitely not worth the money because it is small. But if you're hungover after big events such as, I don't know, perhaps Halloween, these might come in handy or they may not. I don't know. You decide. But for this, it's good enough for me. Let's dip it in the Chips Ahoy. Just kidding. But anyways, guys, hope you enjoyed that video. Thumb it up. Go to McDonald's and get that 50% discount, Batman Original. All you gotta do is walk into the store, spin around on your head until you're dizzy. And then once you start coughing up blood, they'll give you that 50% discount. But anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thumb it up. Stay tuned for more videos. And we'll see you later.